Hey guys, want to talk to you for just a minute. First off, I want to say thank you as always for the support and of the channel and the prayers for Amanda and I. I'm enjoying sharing, being part of this community. I'm just a small part, but I truly appreciate being a part of it. And sharing with the other content creators and the other you guys that just love model building and are car gearheads. But I wanted to do a public apology to a few people, and I know many people when I'm done will go, "Well, that wasn't necessary." But honestly, I think it is necessary. I have gotten to the point where I've got a lot of subscribers and I've got a lot of comments and questions and things like that. And I don't mind that at all, guys. But yesterday, I got or discovered that I had a text that, actually 5 texts that I had not responded to. And when I went back and checked, sure enough, there were 5 texts. And I'm not going to sit here and try to make excuses of, well, it's this or it's that or it's, a lot of times, some of you know, you'll ask a question and it might be a week before I get to it, and I'll send back, hey guys, I'm so sorry. It's taken me this long to respond, just stuff of life. And a lot of that is, guys, I am terrible about checking emails and my Facebook Messenger. I'm just terrible about that. But this situation was a text, and as I looked at them, they were texts that were read. And I honestly, I'm not going to sit and try to make an excuse, as I said. It was just something that I guess I just thought, okay, I'll get back to this, and just flat forgot. I don't know, but I'm not going to try to make an excuse. But to this person, and I'm not going to call names, but I sincerely appreciate the questions, the comments, as well as the well wishes and prayers for Amanda and I during some times that we've gone through. I feel like it is something I need to publicly say I'm sorry for, because there was no excuse, and it was honestly somewhat rude of me. And while I try, and I think I'm up with things, I guess sometimes things slip through the crack, and it shouldn't. But I've spoken to a couple of these people, and we're on the same page now. Praise the Lord. And but what happened yesterday caused me to sit last night here at the desk for 4 hours, going through Facebook Messenger as well as emails and other texts. And in addition to this person, there were 2 others that I discovered that I just failed on. And you guys mean enough to me that I should never fail you guys in brotherly fellowship. And that, when I tell you at the end of the videos, hey, love you guys, I truly mean that. And it certainly doesn't look like it sometimes. And for that, I genuinely am sorry. And I pray your forgiveness. And again, some people may think that, well, I shouldn't do this. And I'm going to turn the comments, actually, I'm going to turn the comments off on this video. But I do want you to know, because that I am truly sorry. And if there's somebody else out there that I've missed or not responded to, it's not intentional, guys. And I know this is going to sound like an excuse, and I'm not trying to make them, but especially in my emails, not so much the Facebook Messenger, but the emails and my texts between squad room, church, I do get covered up, but I always have thought that I'm pretty good about staying on top of it. But I have let some things fall through the cracks, very obviously, and that's not fair to you guys. And I'm robbing myself of the blessing of friendship and communication there too with you. So I wanted to say I'm sorry. I will definitely try to do better. And sorry guys, if I've failed you once or twice here or there. It truly is not intentional. But when I say love you, I truly mean that, guys. So I appreciate all that you give me as far as feedback goes. No matter what the video is, sometimes it's constructive criticism. I have no problem with that. This has kind of cut me to the quick because it's not something that should have happened. There was no reason for me not to respond in a more timely fashion. And again, I don't know if it was just one of those, well, I'll get back to it and forgot. I don't know. But it should not have happened. And for that, again, I am deeply sorry. It's totally unintentional. But I do love you guys. I do appreciate you guys. So thank you for your understanding. And again, if I've not responded to something, it's not intentional, guys. But I will definitely consciously try to do even better. Guys, thanks again. Appreciate you very much. And God bless. I will see you in that next video. Thanks, guys.